Hello everyone, we are in Photoshop, so let's generate the designs by using the different boxes of the shapes. So then we will make more designs as well. Use the further one. Here it is. Thank you for watching. Now it's time to create a design with new creations, designs and the visuals as well. So let's generate all the options.